Hi guys, what's happening? How to find good quality clothes on Shein. So many Reddit users slammed Shein for poor quality and unethical practices. So one of the users says, quote unquote, most of it isn't like the photos and is just bad quality. Easier to just not buy it from the start. Still, a few shared honest wins, like one user said, "I have a couple Shein shirts. I still wear, and there is no wear and tear, and quote unquote glow mode active wear. I actually like their stuff better than Lululemon, right?" So first, here's the game plan. Start small. Try one or two basics to assess feel and durability, right? Secondly, wash twice before wearing to remove chemicals and shrink potential. Thirdly, scale smart. If a piece holds up, go bigger, especially with glow mode active wear, right? And alter if needed. A couple stitches or new buttons can elevate cheap finds. So, TLDR, Shein is not a high end, right? It's a bargain bin fast. It's a bargain bin fast fashion, but with good filters, vigilant eye for details, and a test first mindset, you can score some wearable pieces like basic tees, trendy dupes, and surprisingly decent active wear. So keep it chill, buy small, wash twice, and tweak the cheap stuff. Then you might avoid the trash bin. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.